Y'all,
I tell you what, it'd be perfect.
this man is getting a side
I love a
grinder.
multi-tool with the metal blade on it. But I don't have a metal blade.
This should be interesting. We're taking the water heater out because if you watched our last video, then you know that the tank is busted, I guess. The people that had it before us didn't winterize it, and when we turned the water on, it was spewing everywhere. Oh, I probably should be using my mic because this wind.
I'd like to find out it ain't busted.
Alright, well hold on a minute, let me go get my mic. Alright, so I get to test out this fluffy mic. See if it works in the wind. Who knows, we might go to watch this video and it won't have any sound at all.
Yeah, I'm gonna...
Do you see the crack yet?
Nope.
Hmm.
Nope, it might be on the bottom. I'll have to get to the bottom. Blue on blue should be easy to remember. Green on green should be easy to remember, but this right here...
You want me? Well, here, I got it on video.
They got it mashed anyway. I'm gonna have to go get something to take them loose. Maybe I can get it up on the table. Let me see if I can get this thing turned on its nose without tearing that up.
Oh, I see water. Oh.
Water's naturally gonna be on the bottom. Gravity and whatnot.
No, really? Well, I don't see.
I don't either, and I felt most of the water right there. Here we go. Here it is.
Oh, I can't. Where?
Right here.
Oh, yeah. God, that's a big one.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Alright, well, this is crap.
Always winterize your RV.
Yep.
The people we got, this is a brand new water heater. This is close to $1,000. It's a Dometic. And I'm hoping we can get a tank for it and not have to just throw it all away. We shall see.
At least you got it out and I can make sure I buy the right one.
Well, I had to make sure the tank was what was wrong with it. I couldn't in good conscience order one for $300 and it
Not even need it?
What's wrong with it? Huh?
I said to not even need it.
Yeah, it turned out to be one of them PEX pipes in there. What you think? You would think this aluminum would be stronger than them little PEX pipe fittings, these plastic fittings. Obviously they're not. Excuse me. I think that plastic might have a little more flex to it. And this aluminum, you know how aluminum gets cold anyway. Probably. I can't believe that they would, after putting a new one in there. I mean, the receipts are in there for putting a new one in, and it hadn't even been used. You'd think they would be sure to winterize it.
Well, honey, he passed away, and there wasn't nobody there to winterize it for him.
Well, I know it, but the people that wound up belonging to, I would have thought about it, I think. Maybe, I don't know.
Well, you're an RVer. He passed away, and there wasn't nobody looking after his stuff, so...
Yeah, that's what I was afraid of.
What?
There's other stuff under here. See, I thought this would just be a box that would come off. That is the element. Surely I don't have to reuse the element.
I don't know.
Nah, it'll come with the element, surely.
Well, I mean...
If not, I got this one, but I'm not going to take it off right now because I've never seen a water heater come without an element.
It shows just the tank. None of this stuff is there or anything.
Did it show the back of it?
It showed the whole round of it. There was nothing there. It's just a tank.
Well, hey, I got this one just in case I need to put it on there, but I'm gonna try to take the tank off of it. This is the AC part. It's easy to wire back up. DC on these RVs is real. Sometimes it's real confusing because it's they don't the color code. They got color codes, but they're different than anything you used to. I mean, red should be hot, black should be ground, but it ain't like that. We got white, like house wiring, white and black, orange, blue, all kinds of stuff on it.
Just replacing the tank is definitely a cheaper option, but it's a good bit of work. Right now he's trying to snip the pressure fitting rings off.
Yeah.
We don't have any tin snips, so we're trying to use something else.
Well, some water keeper you turned out to be.
Oh, why don't you set that right down in front of my camera?
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I'll move it. Wait a minute. How's that?
No.
I'm moving it. Which
Brad?
one of us is sarcastic? Let's see. Now, he broke his so really easy with the screwdriver. Let's see if I can do that.
We watched a YouTube video of somebody doing this just to see what we needed to do.
That's not good.
And when he was putting a new one on, he broke his, so we figure it should be easy to break off. Maybe.
Oh,
Maybe not.
Some tin snips. These ought to do it though. They're really good. Let's do it this way. Yeah, that worked. Yeah, I got enough room over there. I can just get enough oomph on it.
It'd be a lot easier if you had two good hands, huh?
Yeah, it would. It would. You know, people take it for granted. And it really makes a difference. All right, I believe I got it about trying to work now. I could be wrong. I have been before. Come on now.
You keep dropping shit.
In the mud. Stuff.
I got you on video saying damn earlier, so I don't want to hear it.
Yeah, well. Probably had a damn good reason. I got it actually cut a little bit. I thought his looked like it was aluminum foil.
Yeah.
Yeah. This was a little bit more substantial. Maybe his before they refixed it. I gotta get me something with some leverage.
Huh.
Got a big old screwdriver somewhere. Oh, that smells right.
Oh, piss. Look what you did.
Pee.
Shut it.
Yeah.
Oh, wrong way. Turn, camera, turn.
Oh, no. Get that from over there close to you. Make me stretch. Good things ain't no good for you.
I gotta figure. Okay, up takes you up, down takes you down. You think that would be easy to remember?
Yeah. See, I think I got it remembered, and I just heard it first time.
For some reason, every time I want to go down, I go up. And every time I want to go up, I go down. It's ridiculous.
Come on, baby. Come on for a break or something. See, the only way you get them off, you have to actually break them. And mine, of course, is like the best ones ever.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's the way it usually is.
Alright, well, I'm going to cut this off for a little bit, and I'll cut it back on when you actually make some progress.
Well, you don't think my thriving for progress is worth watching?
Well, I mean, it's been 5 minutes.
Okay, I'll give you that.
You're going to break something.
Oh, that's what I'm shooting for.
Yeah, but you're going to break the frame.
Well, I'm getting it, but I'm taking all that back out. Oh, this is ridiculous. Ridiculous, I say.
Maybe I need to do it.
See? I know every once in a while you come up with a good idea. All right, I'm gonna, like I said, when all else fails, hammer. Hammer.
What about the hammer and the chisel?
Well, I got, I don't have a metal chisel. Out here, I got a wooden one after I tried it.
Maybe if I held the back to put pressure on the back while you...
I'm getting it loose. I mean, it's actually kind of loose. But I want to break it like they did. It made it look so easy. See, I got it actually loose now. But...
Alright, I'm cutting this off. Shit is about to get real.
Yes.
Real loud.
Let's see if that thinned it out enough. I don't want to get all up in there. I just want to thin it out enough to break it. Hi.
And here comes the train.
Broke now. Might get up against the pipe. This pipe, all this comes with the new tank, so I'm not worried about messing it up. But I just don't want to mess this up.
Oh. I hate the side grinder. I hate it. It spooks me.
Hey.
I feel like we're making this a lot harder than it actually is.
You think?
Yeah.
Well,
Ta-da!
the whole thing that made us look harder was all the stuff I tried before I'd done this.
Yeah, I
That
guess.
was what did it.
Alright, it's off.
All right. Now I got to do this right down here without doing all that other stuff. See all the time I wasted earlier.
Yep.
Not listening to my inner self.
Ta-da! Do you feel
Yeah.
happy now?
Yes. Yes. I feel vindicated. Alright, yeah. All these gaskets and everything comes with the other one too.
Yep.
So, it should be ready now to disembark. Yep.
Oh, you knocked something off.
Of course I did.
You're always knocking shit off.
Stuff. And I
Yeah.
I got a big pile of stuff.
Don't lose this screw here. I've been trying to keep up with it.
I've only got one there. And
I'm gonna hold it. Cause I know how you like to lose shit.
but if I want to lose it, I will lose it. And you figured that out.
Yep.
Try as you may. You will not interfere with my losing process. And it is a process. Alright. Gosh, I got such a mess. I mean, you got such a mess.
No, you got such a mess.
Okie dokie.
Smokey?
Smokey.
Oh, there went some water. Oh, there went some water.
I don't want to fill my toolbox up with it. That's supposed to be empty, but obviously it wasn't.
Well,
I see now why they took him off. They didn't stay with the tank. They just press it against the tank.
That was the hardest part. I think putting it in is a lot easier.
We'll go with that.
It is. It looked easier.
Yeah, it is. It's a lot easier. Putting them things on is a whole lot easier.
It's crazy how the tank is going to cost right at $300, but it's like $800 to get the tank and that. It's crazy. That's like $300-400.
Well, this was probably $15 worth of aluminum.
Maybe. Well, I am never going to get this right. This gimbal. Never.
You will.
Never.
You will. It'll be like your another arm by the time you get through playing with it.
Alright then. Alright guys, so I know I made clips about taking the water heater out and replacing the tank. And then we got stuck in the mud and so much stuff was going on and I did not get to video him putting it back in. But he got it in and it's running right now and it works really good. And you can't even hear the darn thing. The water heater on our other RV is so stinking loud. I mean, it's like, and this one is like, you can't even hear it. It's super quiet. That's pretty cool.